CBS Atlanta Storm Tracker forecast with neighborhood weather.
Got a little bit of fog beginning to form and settle into Midtown here as we look east of the station. Hard to see the tops of the buildings there as the clouds continue to form and drop a little bit lower. Still mild outside. We hit the 60s today. We hit officially 62 degrees. That's now 6 days in a row of this spring-like weather, and normal highs this time of year in the low 50s. 58 right now. Humidity close to 100%. They're at 90. And rainfall today at Hartsfield-Jackson picked up about 16/100ths, and there's a lot more to come out there. Even though the radar doesn't look all that impressive, we're starting to see a few more little pockets of sprinkles pop up here. The storm system is getting a little bit closer, and it will start to squeeze out any moisture that's out there. Light rain showers from Rome to Ellijay, stretching back over to Dahlonega and Dawsonville and Gainesville. And then south of town, we got some more showers around Eatonton and stretching right along I-20. A little heavier shower there out across Troup County near LaGrange, moving into Meriwether County near Greenville. But the bigger story is out to our west, so that's where we head. There are more storms on the way. Again, it doesn't look all that impressive, but we're now starting to see the last couple frames of that loop. Some showers starting to fill in and a few thunderstorms bubbling up here in southern parts of Alabama. What's the trigger? Well, we've got a cold front that's moving through Mississippi, and it's been slow to move. But now, look at this, the upper level low part of this system. Look how quickly it's moving out of Texas into Louisiana. That will start to squeeze the moisture that's pooling in from the Gulf of Mexico out ahead of this cold front, and that's where we'll see the possibility of some strong to maybe even severe thunderstorms. So let me take you through futurecast. Most of the rain painted up across the north for now, but by 4 a.m. start to get some of these showers and embedded thunderstorms in a line here moving into western sections of the state, and it still looks to be right on top of Atlanta by 6 or 7 in the morning. So right around rush hour, it's not going to be very fun driving out there, no doubt about it. There's going to be some heavy rain embedded in some of these thunderstorms, with the primary threat being the straight line damaging winds. Now that front pushes east of Atlanta, and by the noon hour, most of us are dry. We'll see some clouds left over, maybe even a few peaks of sunshine, and it could be even a little bit breezy as well, but temperature is still mild for tomorrow. So here's what you can expect early tomorrow morning. The possibility of some damaging winds gusting up to 60 miles an hour in some of the thunderstorms that do form. Now the isolated tornado, still a possibility there. There's still twist in the atmosphere, and that could get sucked up into some of those thunderstorms. So not going to totally rule that out, although it looks to be less and less likely here. Some lightning will be possible, and of course heavy rain. Already mentioned that, maybe 1 inch, even up to 2 inches in some places. And we'll look for the storms to form well after midnight. Some of these will be strong. 52 degrees for the low overnight tonight, and then some morning storms tomorrow with clearing for the afternoon. Dry on Thursday. The cooler air moves in by Friday. 45 for a high there, and normal for the weekend with highs in the lower 50s, but it will be chilly with 20s for the mornings, and our next shot of rain won't arrive until Tuesday.
Harry Pothole turned into Harry Pace.